Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your Apple ID is signed in across devices and that you have enough iCloud storage. Once signed in, open Settings, tap Photos, and toggle iCloud Photos on so uploads start. Now select the images you want to save, tap Select, and pick photos or entire albums. Make sure Wi-Fi is active and, if needed, enable upload to My Photo Stream for older devices. This starts the syncing process while preserving originals and optimizing device storage. Once done with basic setup and selection, go to Settings Photos to choose storage behavior. Download and keep originals if you want exact files, or optimize iPhone storage to save space. If you have limited data, make sure uploads occur over Wi-Fi by disabling cellular photos. You can also create albums to group selected photos for easier access. Albums sync to iCloud too. Finally, monitor upload progress in Photos. Items with cloud icons are pending or uploaded, so give them time to complete. To finish, verify your selected images are in iCloud by signing into iCloud. Or checking another device using the same Apple ID, synced photos should appear there. If some pictures didn't upload, try restarting your device or toggling iCloud photos off and on to force a rescan. Make sure your iCloud storage isn't full, upgrade your plan, or remove duplicates to free space. If uploads still fail, check network settings and Apple system status. Often reconnecting to Wi-Fi resolves lingering issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.